What did we do, Mommy? What was that one? Hitting Mommy? No hitting Mommy? That's a good idea. Oh, look, she's going to tell a story with you, Brooke. Y'all can tell a joint story. What's your story? Say, once upon a time, there was a frog. And he was friends with an elephant.
We go to the zoo? We go to the zoo? Yes. Did the zoo is closed? Yes. Gonna run and play with toys? Yes. We watch a TV show and drink milk, juice, and water? Yes. Watch a movie? Yes. Would you want to milk of class? Yes. We get dressed? Yes. We swing? Yes. We slide? Yes. We ran upstairs? No. We stay downstairs? Yes. What we have to do, the boat is out. The boat is out. Yes. Then we can go to the
Boat?
Yeah, the boat is out there. The boat is out. See? Then we can go to the boat. Now, toothbrush. The same. The river's cold? Yes. The river's warm? No. We go to Mommy and Daddy's room? No. We go to the bedroom? No. Yes. We sleep at night and nap? Yes. And yes. We sleep in Mommy's lap? No.